Hey everyone, special trip today coming up on this episode of Taking Off. Alright, I love my new GoPro Max 360 camera. I like playing around with it. So on this episode, we're going to have a short trip, but we're going through two Class Ds, right underneath the Bravo Shelf, DFW. Very short trip to take Lola here to get a little bit of repairs done at Wingfield Aviation. So with that, I'm going to try not to edit. I just hate a lot of dead air, so maybe I will or not. But it's just one camera. I'm going to plug in the audio so you can hear what we're talking about. And we're going to be taking off from Hicks. Got huge north wind right now, gusting pretty heavily, but it's right down the runway, so that I'm not worried about. I came in and landed in almost max crosswind factor just the other day when this front came through. But we're going to immediately transition through the Meacham airspace, right over downtown Fort Worth, and then the Spinks airspace where we will land and go to Wingfield. So come along for the ride. Here we go.
Hicks traffic, Centurion 4620, Yankee 32. For a south departure, we'll do a left turnout, Hicks. Approach path appears clear. Lights, camera, and action. Okay. If we have trouble, we're going to try to stop before the Hicks logo. After that, we're going to try to put down 30 degrees to the left. Airspeed's alive. There we go. Oh man, we took off easy with that wind. But now it's bumpy. Oh, it's quite a ride. Traffic, Centurion left turn out and depart to the south. Hicks. Navy ends up being right in our line, so we got to be aware of that. Meacham Tower, Centurion 4620, Yankee.
Centurion 4620, Yankee, Meacham Tower.
Now we're off Hicks at 2,200. Request transition through to Spinks at 2005.
4620, Yankee, transition approved, Meacham altimeter 3000.
0020, Yankee. Now let's load Spinks. One, 2462, 2462, or 25. Oh, looks like we're getting kicked. Ow. Wow. Bring speed back.
53 Zulu, wind 320 at 19er, gust 23. Visibility 10, sky clear, blue 12000, temperature 19er, dew point -01, altimeter 3004. Private aircraft expected visual approach in use, line 80 part of runway 36 left. Notice runway 36 right is closed. Runway 35 left and right are now runway 36 left and right. Advise control mesh contact your information X-ray. Space Tower information.
Ground, point 9er. There's Beecham underneath. And Matt Wells works at that tower. Not as busy today in the airspace because it is freaking windy. We are getting bounced around really good here. My CO detector just flew off. Fortunately, it landed where I can read it. Holy cow. Downtown Fort Worth. Beecham 20 Yankee, we good to transfer over.
20 Yankee, frequency change approved, no traffic observed. You have a good day.
Hey, you too, 20 Yankee. Spinks Tower, Centurion 4620 Yankee with X-ray over downtown Fort Worth, 2,400 in for a full stop.
From 4620 Yankee, Spinks Tower, port left, down 1, runway 36 left.
Report left, down 1, 36 left, 20 Yankee.
Jet 540, turn left taxiway. Delta, where are you parking?
Delta going ahead, thanks, Jet 540.
Jet 540, taxi via Delta and Alpha, just monitor ground.
Delta, monitor ground, Jet 540. If I can even type on the iPad. Crosswind. So we're not going to go full flaps. Question is 1 degree or 2 degrees flaps. We'll come in faster. We'll do a wind check right forward down.
2, wind is 32025, gust 31.
Alright, there's our one check. Holy cow. Springs Tower, Centurion 4620 Yankee in the left downwind, 36 left.
Turn 20 Yankee, runway 36 left, clear to land. Current wind 32026, gust 31.
Clear to land, runway 36 left, 20 Yankee. Okay, we're doing 1 degree flaps, that's it. Gonna land fast, we got plenty of runway. Yes, that's where I want it. Undercarriage, mixture, and prop. A little longer on the downwind. I just want a little bit more time to adjust to the wind. Front and base. Airspeed 100. We're going to start to the left edge and get blown to the right. Gas, undercarriage, mixture, prop, seat belts. Airspeed 100, let's slow it down now. Wow. One wheel landing. We'll go up to Wingfield.
20 Yankee, turn right at Kilo, cross 18 left, taxi mark. Mark ground 1 off the runway.
Okay, right at Kilo, cross 36 right, monitor ground, 20 Yankee. Crazy wind, I can feel it even just taxiing. Turn left, or turn right with a left turn on the aileron for the wind. monitor ground. Cross 18 left, hard 36 right.
Okay, that was crazy windy landing. So thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys next time on Taking Off. So by the way, these are my new Flying Eyes ophthalmics. These are regular glasses with the clip-on magnetic. I love them. So don't forget, use all caps Taking Off for 10% off at the Flying Eyes Optics website. Also, this isn't official yet, so don't spread the word too much, but for the next first 50 people who sign up for a mortgage at Colton Mortgage through our link here, Colton Taking Off, Colton's gonna buy them a pair of Flying Eyes sunglasses and a really cool hoodie with the Taking Off and Colton Mortgage logo on it. So if you're gonna get a mortgage or refinance, get a free pair of sunglasses, Flying Eyes, with them.